People sometimes ask, is there anything to do in advance to plan a bankruptcy? Well, I'm attorney Stuart Stanweiss, and I'm here to tell you that yes, planning a bankruptcy is a good idea. Just like if you're building a house, you want to have a blueprint, you want to have footings in place. Well, bankruptcy is the same thing. If you've got assets that you need to protect, you want to take a look at them far in advance, because there are things that called preferences or to family and friends, fraudulent transfers, things like that you have to worry about protecting. Years ago, I had a client, we're going to call him Paul to protect his identity. Now, Paul owned a piece of property, although it wasn't his property, it was actually somebody else's property that was in Paul's name. And Paul needed desperately to file bankruptcy. He had creditors coming after him. They were suing him in state court, and if they were able to win on a lawsuit and then file a judgment lien, that property was in jeopardy. So what we did was we delayed the lawsuit. We let it go. We actually had to do it for almost 2 years after Paul got the property out of his name. We were able to do so, and then just at the end of the 2-year period, just after it was no longer relevant, Paul filed bankruptcy, discharged the debt, property saved, mission accomplished. So if you're in a situation where you've got property that you're concerned about keeping and so forth, I advise you, speak to a competent bankruptcy attorney, make a plan, and get your fresh financial start that you're entitled to. If you've got any questions about bankruptcy planning or anything to do with it, please feel free to shoot me an email or give me a call, and I'll be happy to talk to you about it.